The P000D code indicates a slow response from the B camshaft position actuator on bank 2 of your engine. This means the camshaft isn't adjusting its timing as quickly as the engine control module expects. Bank 2 is typically the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1. This code is common in vehicles with variable valve timing (VVT) systems. The B camshaft position actuator is responsible for adjusting the camshaft position. The engine control module, or ECM, detects when the actuator responds too slowly. In summary, the P00D code points to a slow response in the camshaft actuator on bank 2, affecting engine timing in VVT-equipped vehicles. The P000D code triggers several noticeable symptoms in your vehicle. The most common symptom is the check engine light coming on the dashboard. You may experience reduced engine performance with less power during acceleration. Fuel economy worsens as the engine uses more fuel inefficiently. The engine may idle roughly or vibrate noticeably at rest. Emissions may increase due to improper combustion timing. You might hear unusual noises from the engine area. Starting the vehicle may become more difficult. These symptoms occur because engine timing isn't optimal. Several factors can trigger the P000D code. Let's examine the most common causes one by one. A faulty camshaft position actuator or solenoid can prevent proper response to engine control module commands, leading to slow camshaft positioning on bank 2. Low engine oil levels or contaminated oil can reduce the pressure required for variable valve timing systems to operate correctly, impairing the actuator's function. A failing oil pump cannot maintain the necessary oil pressure for the variable valve timing system, causing the solenoid to malfunction. A stretched timing chain can cause misalignment in camshaft timing, resulting in slow response from the camshaft position actuator. A faulty camshaft position sensor may send incorrect signals to the engine control module, causing it to perceive a slow response when none exists. Wiring issues, such as damaged connections or shorts in the variable valve timing system, can prevent proper communication with the camshaft actuator. Clogged oil passages can block the flow of oil to the camshaft actuator, restricting the pressure needed for timely response. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0D code and check for any other related codes. Examine the engine oil level and condition. If the oil is low or dirty, perform an oil change. Inspect the wiring and connectors to the camshaft position actuator and sensor for damage or corrosion. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle to see if it returns. To test the camshaft position actuator, start by checking the solenoid's resistance using a multimeter. Here are the intake and exhaust camshaft position actuator solenoids. Connect the multimeter to the solenoid terminals and measure resistance. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications, typically 5 to 15 ohms. If it's out of range, the solenoid is faulty and needs replacement. Alternatively, use a scan tool to activate the solenoid and observe its response. It should click or move when commanded. If it responds correctly, but the P00D code persists, the problem may lie elsewhere in the system. Start by verifying the engine oil pressure, especially at idle. Low oil pressure can prevent the variable valve timing system from functioning correctly. Consult your vehicle's repair manual for the correct oil pressure specifications, typically 50 to 70 psi at idle. Also inspect the VVT system components for any signs of damage or wear. Examine the solenoid valve and other parts carefully. If you suspect a timing chain issue, a mechanic will need to perform a more in-depth inspection. If you're not comfortable performing these diagnostic and repair steps yourself, or if the P000D code persists after attempting the fixes, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They have the specialized tools and expertise to accurately diagnose and repair complex engine issues, such as accessing manufacturer-specific diagnostic software or performing intricate engine component replacements.